Hello and welcome students. So today we are having this question from quadratic equation 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. Now just looking at this question, some of you might get worried that oh my god, from where this 8 in the denominator is coming. So don't worry, you can very easily solve it. So what is creating problem, children? This 8 is creating problem, right? So let us remove it. How can we remove 8 from the denominator? By multiplying by 8 in the numerator. Okay. So, but remember one thing, whatever you do, like multiplying or dividing, do it in each and every term. Okay. So that the question given to you remains same, the question do not get changed. Okay, so let us see. Multiply by 8, we have 8 twos are 16x square minus 8x plus 1. This, if you multiply by 8 here, 8 and 8 cancelled, so only 1 remains. Also multiply by 8 in 0, you will get 0. All right, so now what we can do, using splitting the middle term, we can write like 16x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Now remember that when you multiply these two, you will get the multiplication of this a and c. Okay, so if you multiply minus 4x and minus 4x, you will get 16x square. Okay, it means we are doing it correctly, there is no problem. Now next thing is to take common. So take common from these two terms. You have 4x common here, so we have 4x minus 1 inside the bracket. And what else we have? We have minus 1 common here, so 4x minus 1 inside the bracket. Okay, now what we need to make sure, children, that the thing inside the bracket here and here both must be same, otherwise we won't be able to factorize. So now take 4x minus 1 common, 4x minus 1 taken common, what is left here? 4x, and what is left here? Minus 1 equal to 0. So as you can see, both are the same, therefore we can have 4x minus 1 equal to 0, and this means x is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, and from this also we will get the same values. So the two roots for this equation is 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Okay, so this is the way you need to solve. So now there is one more question like this. So you can try to solve that question also using this technique. And that question is 10x 10x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. 10x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. So this is the question using the same technique. Now what is in the denominator? X. So multiply by x in each term. So we are having 10x square minus 1 is equal to 3x. What we did, we multiplied by x in this term, we got this. We multiplied by x here, x and x cancelled, so minus 1 is left. And again we multiplied into 3 and we got 3x. Now convert it into quadratic equation standard form. Take this 3x on the other side. We have 10x square minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Now try to factorize it by splitting the middle term. 10x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Now how we got this value? Multiply the coefficient of x square, which is 10 here, and the last term, constant term, which is minus 1. Now get its prime factorization. So prime factorization of 10 is 2 into 5 into minus 1. Now we are having three numbers. Now convert it into 2 such that their sum or difference is minus 3. So you can multiply these two together, 2 and minus 5. So the difference is minus 3. So that is why we have written minus 5x plus 2x. Now take common. So we have 5x, and what is inside? Sorry, students, here it will be 2x minus 1. And again take common here. So nothing is common, it means 1 is common. So 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Now the thing inside the bracket is common, so 2x minus 1, and then we have 5x plus 1 equal to 0. Now time to get the value of x. This means either 2x minus 1 equal to 0 or 5x plus 1 equal to 0. Now if this is 0, we will get value of x. Minus 1 goes to that side, becomes plus 1, and this 2 is in multiplication, so it comes in the denominator. And from this, value of x will be plus 1 goes to other side, minus 1, and then is 5 comes in the denominator. So these are the two values for this quadratic equation. So these were the two questions we wanted to discuss, because these questions are, I think, some sort of important question are there, these two, and the very high chance of coming in the examination. So I hope you understood, and if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and also share with your friends. Thanks for watching, everyone.